I'm Jenna with Chaos to Clarity Organizing, and I'm talking about the KonMari Method. So you go through every item in your home, and you pick it up, and you ask if it sparks joy. Like, does this make me happy? Do I enjoy using it? Does it bring me up? As opposed to the other emotions, which are more negative. It's like, oh, I feel guilt, or I'm ashamed that I still have this, or I haven't used it, or I've neglected it, and I don't know. So it's just being more intuitive with how you're feeling about it, and it's not rational, and because you can overanalyze anything, but it's saying, how do I intuitively feel about this? What does my body feel? And then as you're true to that, you can apply that to other areas of your life and make the same kind of decisions that bring those good feelings into your life. So, in a nutshell.
Thank